This is practically a website that can help you get a pay between $20 to $35. As you can see here, take a look at this one, $8 to $10. These are pays that you can get from jobs that you can do on this website. Welcome back, guys. In this video today, we'll be talking about how you can make between $100 to $500 in a month on a particular website rendering services. So in my last video, I talked about a website that can actually help you to learn free skills that are monetizable, skills that you can monetize and start making money. The truth is, you do not even have to be a tech guru, a tech somebody before you can make money online. There are some skills that will come to you naturally, and there are some skills that you can develop. So if you have not watched that my last video, please go back and watch it, because I shared my experience about a website that is just like a school for you to learn certain skills. In fact, you learn those skills for free, and once you get a job, you start paying them instrumentally, which is actually okay, because they do what? They also help you in getting those jobs. Immediately you acquire that skill, or you're then learning from them, they'll have to get you a job so that you can pay them for the skills they have imparted in you. So if you have not watched the last video I made about that, please do watch, check the last video. If you love something like this, or if you love videos like this, please do what to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video. I'll be sharing with you guys a particular website that can help you start making money, website that will actually pay you to work with clients. I will not be telling the name of the website right now, but if you stick with me to the end of this video, along the line, I will share the name of this particular website that I am about to show you. Now, there are certain skills that you do not need to be a tech person before you can, start using those particular skills to make money. And one of such skills, as you can see here, is customer service. Now, whether you're just starting up with this thing, or you just want to try it out, one thing I will advise you is you just need to browse about it, go and make inquiries about it, watch YouTube videos, go on self learning. You understand? Watch YouTube videos and questions about people, what they are doing on this particular job, phase, like this particular thing, what is expected of you if you decide to embark on this. So as you can see, this particular job here is for customer care support, which almost anybody can do it, and it is an entry level. So you do not really need an experience or to be an expertise. Just come here, read more about this particular company, what they want, and their payment and all of that. Now, this next one is listen to calls and extract key data. This is another simple thing to do. Now, you do not have to go out and be requesting or looking for people that will give you job, because people will definitely not share their secret with you. Or this particular website I am sharing with you is a website that will give you job, whether you are an entry level individual, whether you are a beginner, whether you are just learning, or you are still growing, or you are even experienced. You understand? There are a lot of jobs on this particular website, jobs for experts, jobs for intermediate, jobs for entry level. This particular one will pay you $3 per hour. So imagine you are able to work, and it says that you're going to be working for more than 6 months. So imagine you are able to work about 8 hours in a day. So that's about maybe $21 or so. So if you are able to do that for a month, that will be going to about $700. And when dollars currently is about 1,000 naira right now, you'll be making about how much? About 700,000 naira in a month as an entry level. As an entry level, even managers for First Bank don't make this particular kind of money in Nigeria. So please take a look at this particular website, build up your profile. This is my own profile. Take a look at it. You need to go on their profile and check how people that you want to emulate, like people that you want to copy, how they are able to build up their profile. My profile is located in Nigeria, and it is Ogun State, so you do not even need to lie about your location. Put down your real name, you understand, and put down what you can do. If you have work experience, put down your skills, the skills that you can do, put them down. If you have other things that you can do, please put them down. Make this profile your thing. Set up your profile like people on this particular website that are doing better. You understand? So guys, let's just go through. This one is for someone that is entry level, $5 a day. This one is entry level. This one is even $1,000. It is just simple copy and paste, as you can see. Yeah, there are a lot of graphic designers that are just idle like that. So you can just decide to be a graphic designer on this particular website and hire someone outside to do the job for you while you upload on this particular website that this is what you do, this is what you can do. You understand? As you can see, this one's paid between 35 to $75 every hour. Although you will have to work on this particular kind of money. But then again, if the dollar is entering and your payment is secure, whether you want to use PayPal or Payoneer to receive your payment is secure because this particular website, once you are working, they will be saving your money for you. So once you're up to the withdrawal level now, you understand, maybe you want to withdraw at $100 or $200, they will ask you to put your payment method and they will send it to your account. You understand? It's Igbo that you know that you can do. Go type in Igbo language, any language. You understand? You can translate, you can transcribe, anyone you want to do. You get a lot of jobs on this particular website. So let it not even look as if maybe I'm bouncing around on this particular website. You understand? Let me show you the job invites that I got. On this particular website, you need to work towards it. You can't just apply in a day and just expect you to get an interview. There are thousands of people that are applying for jobs on this particular website. So I would advise you to keep applying. If you can even challenge yourself to a 30 days free application, like a 30 days application. Just be applying every day for 30 days for jobs that are specific to your niche for 30 days. I'm sure that you will get someone to hire you. Now, I already have a project I'm working on, you understand? But here is another job down here. As you can see, I have a message waiting for me. Here is another job down here that I actually applied for. You understand? Here is it. This particular job, I applied for a customer support job, and the client is actually located in Australia. I applied and I sent my CV. This is what it is. I applied and I sent my CV. Now, when you send your CV and some these things will not even chat you back, they will not call you back. If you take a look now, you see all my proposals right here. Some will view it, you understand? Some will view it, some will not view it. So you have a lot of things, you understand? I've submitted 3 proposals, I think this week. Yeah, I submitted 3 proposals this week. Some will be viewed by clients while some will not. So once anyway, I'll try to drop a template. I don't know if I can drop a template, but if you need a template for sending Upwork proposal, if you need a template for sending Upwork proposal, I'm giving it to you guys for free. Just drop a comment. Drop a comment in the comment section that you need a template for sending for Upwork proposal. Drop in the comment section that you need the template for writing proposals on this Upwork website. Now, the name of this particular website is called Upwork. Let me show you guys the name. Now, if you can download the app, you can download it. It's called Upwork Talent. But if you cannot download it, just type into your browser Upwork and visit their website, sign up and start, going through the available jobs that you can do.